Nicklaus Children's Hospital ta un instituto medico a kinalang na Miami ko ta bastante conocí rod mundo como un instituto hopi respeta e ko ta ayuda hopi mucha. Hospital aqui tra junto con los islas de Aruba también e nos conversa con el señor Maggioni que nos da contarnos un tiki más de con relación de trabajo entre el hospital aquí en Miami y también los hospital de Aruba.
Sure, with great pleasure. I mean, we are based in Miami at the Nicklaus Children's Hospital. That is the pediatric center of South Florida. By geography, we are definitely well connected with all the Caribbeans, with Central and South America. In Aruba, by all means, we had opportunities over many years. I mean, many years that we have relations of when the need happens, when there is a problem. We've always been very receptive of receiving patients that either are locals or tourists that find themselves in a difficult situation and they need to get out of the island. I believe that the success of our history is proven by many patient testimonials, and we always did that because there was a process in place. When there is an emergency, everything goes, the lights goes off, and how to do that and to do it right, you need to coordinate with the family, with their ambulance, with the receiving facility, with the doctors, the payers, and all of the above. I think in a situation like that, in a meeting where all of the players come together, sharing our experience is a testament that things can be done and can be done right. We take care of kids, we do it with all our heart for them globally.
Durante una conversación off camera con Andrea di Nicklaus Children's Health, la contanos naturalmente no donando number, etc. Que recientemente Aruba ha tomado contacto con un caso de emergencia para un baby quando nasce mais trempan que estava a primeira e aqui não brinda assistência necessária para o baby aqui e o baby naturalmente a hora de sobreviver. E te conta-nos tiki di Asaki.
Yeah, I'll respect, of course, all the privacy to the family without giving any details. But what you're referring to has been a phenomenal case. I think that is a special situation in which everybody came together at the same time. There was a family in distress with a very young kid that was not supposed to be born. He born a little bit too early. And of course, the family was not ready for that. Having processes in place, as I mentioned, means activating the entire team. And the team is comprised by nurses, doctors, paramedics, plane, and insurance, and all together putting it in the most efficient way. You fight against time. Every minute counts. What was, I think, the light and the beauty of the experience that, number one, the kid is doing extremely well. That's good news for everybody. But was having and seeing people come together in the most unexpected time, in the moment of which everybody was not expecting that to happen. So I think it was a good testament to our good working relationship. We look forward to always be available when you need us the most. And that's what makes us strong.
Voor de Global Medical Tourism Summit, a mitad Mark Benson Dance para 24horas.com no está. E promete noticia.